Welcome to this property brought to you by the experts at Coldwell Banker Holman Premier Realty in Klamath Falls, Oregon. For more information, be sure to visit coldwellbankerhpr.com or call 541-884-1343. Bring your horses because this 20-acre ranchette offers 8 acres of irrigated pasture land, large shop, cross fencing, horse shelter and corral and chicken coop. Irrigation well with water rights and a domestic well. Front yard auto sprinklers for easy care. Home offers open and spacious floor plan with room for indoor and outdoor entertaining. Kitchen boasts Corian counters, with loads of cabinets and new fridge. Oversized master suite has natural light, spacious walk-in closet, double sinks and large shower. Laundry room has ample workspace and utility sink. Shop has roll-up door and 2 covered parking areas. Enjoy wildlife and views of surrounding farms and mountains from the large front deck. Property is level for pasture, home, yard and shop and treat hillside that backs up to national forest land. This home is the perfect blend of country living and just 10 miles east of Chiloquin. Feels like you are away from it all with the convenience of technology, dish and internet.